Hello everybody, good morning, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about forms of adverbs, okay, or kinds of adverbs. Actually, adverbs, they modify verb, adjective and another adverb. There are different kinds of adverbs, just like adverbs of manners, adverbs of time, adverbs of number or frequency, adverbs of degrees and adverbs of interrogative. So these are the kinds of adverbs. Today we are going to learn about the kinds of adverbs. So let us read the definition. An adverb is a word or an expression that modifies a verb, as I told you, that modifies a verb, adjective and another adverb, okay, sometimes phrase, now clause also. And kinds of adverbs, first one is adverbs of manners, and in these adverbs of manners we can see the words like slowly, quickly, easily, happily, painfully, etc. So this comes under the adverbs of manners, and we use these adverbs with action words, okay. We use these adverbs with action words. Let us see adverbs of manners. They tells us the manner or way in which something happens. They modify a verb, okay. They modify a verb, just like they modifies slowly, quickly, easily, happily, painfully, etc., as I told you. And one more thing, they answer the question how. They answer the question how. For example, Varu works hard. Varu works how? Hard. Here hard is the adverb. Varu works how? Here it answers the question how. Varu works hard. And the deer runs how? Fast. And we can write that he speaks slowly, like that way. He speaks slowly, or otherwise he ate hungrily, slowly, hungrily, all quickly, easily, happily, painfully, etc. All these comes under adverbs of manner because it answers the question how, okay. Next come to the adverbs of time. This verb tells about the time that something happens. It tells about the time, okay. And about the time, just like soon, now, tomorrow, yesterday, afterwards, already, etc. All this comes under adverbs of time. For example, and one more thing, this adverbs of time, it also modifies the verb. It also modifies a verb, okay. It also modifies a verb. For example, my friend will come tomorrow. See, he will come when? Tomorrow, okay. When he will come, it modifies a verb and it tells about the time. I want it when? Now. See, already I have finished. I have already finished my cooking. Already, here already, okay. Then my friend will come tomorrow. This is adverb of time. I want it now. Now it is adverb of time. I have already. So that comes under adverb of time. Next, adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency, or we can say the adverb of number also. Adverb of number. They tell us how often or how frequently an action takes place. Yes, they tells us how often, whether it may be always, never, ever, often, usually, seldom, rarely, etc. All this comes under adverb of frequency or adverb of number. They tells us how often or how frequently an action takes place. For example, Sheru seldom meets his friends. Seldom, see, this is seldom. This comes under adverbs of frequency. Okay, Sheru seldom or always, Sheru never, Sheru often, Sheru rarely. Okay, all this comes under adverb of frequency. Ravi never tries hard. See, Ravi never, adverb of frequency. He never tries hard. Okay, and adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degree. It tells us the degree or extent. It tells us degree or extent to which something happens. They modify verb, adjectives and adverbs. See, adverb of degree. They tells us the degree for which extent, means example, very, it's very hot, just, almost, too, extremely, quite, etc. All these words comes under adverb of degrees. Okay, very, just, almost, too cold, too hot, like this, extremely, quite, etc. All this comes under adverb of degree. The tea is very hot. See, the tea is very, it modifies tea, very hot. Okay, it qualifies, it gives the answer for a question, how much or what degree. Okay, they answer the question, how much or what degree. Okay, the tea is how, very hot. The tea is hot, how much, very hot. The vehicle is partly damaged. The vehicle is damaged, how much, partly. Okay, partly. Here it modifies, here very hot is modified tea, and here the vehicle is partly damaged, telling about the how extent, how much. Okay, next, adverbs of place. Adverbs of place, just like behind, beside, in, down, out, everywhere, here, there, like that way. This comes under adverb of place. They tells the place. Yes, as I told you, behind, in, out, outside, down, here, there, everywhere. All this comes under adverbs of place. They tells the place where something happens. They modify a verb. Here it also modifies a verb. They are waiting, where, outside. Okay, they are waiting outside. It answers the question where. It answers the question where. Okay, they are waiting, where, outside. I have looked everywhere. I have looked where, everywhere. Okay, I have looked everywhere. Or otherwise, he lives where, here, there. Or otherwise, please sit there, please sit here. Okay, please sit down, like that way, showing the adverbs of place. Okay, now next is adverbs of interrogative. Here, when, why, where, how, these WH words are used in this adverbs of interrogative. They are used to ask about the manners, reasons, quality, degree, amount, etc. For example, you see here, they are the words used at the beginning of a question, that is WH word. They are used to ask a question. Okay, they are used to ask a question. Here the structure will be WH plus verb. Okay, you see here, when did you come, when did you come, this is related to time related. This is the time related. This is the time related. When did you come, when, WH, when did you come. Okay, time related. This is the adverb interrogative and it tells about the time related. How are you, how are you, this is the manners. This asks about the man, tells about the manner. How are you? I am fine, bad, quite good, whatever it may be. So this is the adverbs of interrogative, how are you, and it is asking about the manners. Why are you late? Why are you late? Why are you late? This is reason. Here it is asking reason. Okay? Here it is asking reason. Just in the same way, where are my books? Where are my books? Okay? Where are my books? Where are my books? Place. Asking the place. And why are you crying? Reason, asking the reason. Okay? Why are you crying? So, these are the kinds of adverbs which are used as adverbs of manners, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency or number, adverbs of degree, adverbs of place, adverbs of interrogative. So, practice more and more, learn more and more. Hope you understood. Please practice more and more. Keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next class.